Hey, what's up guys? It's Ken here. We're significantly, better than the stock ones that Ford gives you. Now, mind you, that was a pain in the neck to actually remove, but yeah, it looks way better. So, what do you guys think about the new spoiler and the new front grille? The reason why I picked the Lethal Performance Grille is because I'm really going for the glossy black look that I have here. The gloss black, and then that's the main reason why I picked this grille and not the other ones, because I didn't want the matte looking approach. By the way, if you have the Safe and Smart package on the Mustang, the Lethal Performance Grille is compatible for you, because there's a couple of companies that make grille replacements for the Mustang right now for the 2018s. If you have the 18 and it has the Safe and Smart package, the only one that I know as of now, March 2018, that you can use is the Lethal Performance Grille. The other companies, the other brands, their grille, if you install the lower grille, it will actually disable your Safe and Smart package. Because Ford, the way they installed it, it's in the lower grille of your front bumper, and for some reason, I don't know the specifics. You could research it, you could Google it all you want, but from my understanding is the other companies' lower grille will actually disable it, or I don't know how it works. Like, it gets in the way, but anyway. You don't want to do that. You don't want to install something and will screw up Ford's system. So right now, only Lethal Performance Grille actually works with Ford's Safe and Smart system. So if you have a 2018 Mustang and you have the Safe and Smart package, I suggest, and if you're looking for a grille replacement, I suggest you get Lethal Performance's upper and lower grille replacement. So yeah. There's gonna be more, so stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and share. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick video. Check out my Instagram with RedThornS550 and just follow me.